Hello friends, welcome to Mastering Bank Nifty YouTube channel. This is your mentor Sujit Bhaskar. Hello friends, welcome to Mastering Bank Nifty YouTube channel. This is your mentor Sujit Bhaskar. Today I am here with 11th Jan 2022 Bank Nifty analysis. I hope all you people are safe. As you know, the cases are increasing, so please do care about your family and be safe. Okay, let us quickly jump into today's analysis. So before I start the video, uh, I I got a very good response to my previous video, so which will give very good motivation for me to continue with my analysis. So if you people didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel, like my channel and press the bell icon to get future notifications. Okay, so just quickly jump into the today's Bank Nifty analysis. So as you can see, so before doing the analysis, if you observe the market today, the one thing is very obvious that the market is very volatile. The very volatile in the sense, if you are targeting for big targets in intraday, I think this period is not for you. The union budget is nearing, it is on February 1st, so you can expect a lot of announcement in the budget, and so before that market will be very volatile. So always please have short term target. If you can get target of 100 to 150 points, that is well and good. So don't plan for any big targets. So yeah, so let's quickly jump into the today analysis. um, so as you can see, uh, it's almost you can see that this is not there is no gap up or gap down opening happened today. It's kind of a sideways only, so anything can happen. Maybe it can have gap up opening with a huge gap and gap down with a huge gap. Otherwise the third scenario is like sideways. So today it happened to be a sideways trend. Okay, so if you mark the high low of today's 15 minutes candle, you can see that let me mark it in front of you, and okay, I marked it in front of you. Let me little bit zoom it. Okay, so as you can see here, after 15 minutes candlestick, you can see it broken the CPR. This is the CPR range, this is the pivot, and this is the range. So it's the red candle broken and the CPR, then this is a good entry for you to do put option buying. Okay, so if you do put option buying here, you can see it approximately you can get a target of 250 points. Okay, and as I told, you should target for maximum 150 or 250 in this volatile market. So if you see that as you achieve um, um, the 250 points, immediately you need to quit it. Don't target for higher profits. Okay, so you can see um, the trend line which I drawn here. You can see the trend lines. As soon as this touch this point, the market started giving reverse. Then another green candle formed, and it is again touched the pivot point. Again market reversed. Here also easily you could get um, one more uh, uh, put option here. As you can see, again it is touched uh, the, the support level S1. Again market gave a huge green candle, so you can see this point, um, it's almost 125 points candle. So if people might have had, they put long position here, then suddenly as it's got an S1, then suddenly market reverse and it all hit your stop loss, and you might have incurred huge loss. And then not only if you put stop loss means, okay, some some percentage of loss you might have incurred here. Okay, then that's why I told it is a very volatile market. So you should have always short targets. Again, um, as I see here, it won't give you like you can see here, once it is a big candle crosses the pivot level, you should not enter here. Again it did retest. Okay, again market came because it was a huge jump. So market will always, if you give market will give a good uptrend, or will form a good green candlestick, it will again retest. That shows the strength of that uptrend. So now it is again came down, and here as soon as it broken the pivot point, it's also a good entry for buy, right? And you can see here, so it's like a beauty as well. Yesterday also, it's a beauty of following the trend line. So if you started from here, um, you can see it's also 200 points. So as I told, this is a volatile market. You should target 200 points. Okay. So as soon as it touch this trend line, see, you can see the green light here. This is showing the to do put option. This when as soon as this touch this trend line is divided from here. You can see the trend line is going. So as soon as it touch this trend line, the market again reversed. Again, you touch uh, the the pivot, the CPR, central pivot range. Okay, this touched here. Again it again is touched this trend line. This is kind of a consolidation, and once it's this candle is, you can put as you can say I have drawn a trend line here. Here you can see it here. So now it is broken this trend line. Again you can see a huge green. So once should have entered here, and even once it's crossed this um, green candle, again it is retested. Again it is went till the R2 level. So this also a good entry point for you. So there's a risk associated with this volatile market. So it should be sometimes people might put the stop loss, and they'll go outside, and they'll not see that the live market. But once they come after 15 minutes, you may see that, oh, it is my stop loss, I incurred loss. So always better this volatile market. You should always monitor your um, um, the live market. Okay. So once you target for, so it's kind of 150 target. So 150 to 200, that's what you should achieve in your um, in this volatile market. Don't expect a big uptrend or downtrend now, okay, till the budget, okay. Again, you got a very good um, option buying opportunity, call option. Again, once it is touched here, okay, this also one trend is forming here. You can see here that maybe it will continue maybe in the next sessions coming. As soon as it is again reversed and again it is touched the, this is the range, this is the you can see the support, this is the previous level high, previous level, there is a support here, so it again is touched the support, again it went high, again it stretches the resistance. Then it's all very short term goals. Maybe you can, if you want to avoid this kind of trading during this, I prefer not to do trading because you will only get some short term targets. And again it it came down, it's close, it is in the CPRA. Again you can see the trend line here. So this is the trend line formed, okay. So this is the trend line formed here. Again this is the trend line, you can see here. So it is again this wick touched this and again it went back, okay. So this is kind of a volatile market, up and down, up and down. You cannot say it's sideways, okay. If you see the longer picture, it is sideways. So today market hardly moved close to 94 points. You can see here. Nifty also same thing, 50 points. So hardly some 0.25 um, uh, increase compared to the previous level, compared to the yesterday's closing points. So market is volatile, so you should always should have short term goals, okay. Yeah, don't keep any long term goals. And if you are took the weekly expiry date, I prefer you to do intraday only. Do not carry over um, um, your contract to next day, which I will recommend. Also always try to uh, maybe the span of your trading should be like, see what is the difference of this here. This is in the 200. You see, if I told you to enter here, right here, so it is 11 o'clock and this is 11:30. So it's just in 30 minutes of time span is more 200 points. So as I told, just target for 15-20 minutes, do some short term trades. Always follow these trend lines. Whenever it touches the trend line, if that candlestick uh, didn't cross, means that the market may come down. Or if that cross that trend line again, one more green candle made, then you can have some 100 to 150 points, some short term targets. Always do same case with that. And again, if you can see here, right, as I told, this is not like here, so you can get touched here. So what is that, what is the time span here? 9:30, 9:35 to it is 10:15. That's also half an hour. So should target for half an hour span where you will get some 150 to 200 points, and you can quickly get some. If you have some one lot, means you can get up to maximum of 1,500 to 2,000 rupees in that trade. If you have multiple lots, you will get accordingly whatever it is that um, profit you will be getting. And if you increase the time span also, because of that, and also you should monitor your the premium chart also. Premium chart should put stop loss. However, if your time lapses, if you put the stop loss, however, that the whatever showing in your live market, exactly that candlestick will not be formed in the premium. It may come down also. So you should always do trailing stop loss. So that kind of things I will be covering in the coming videos. If you need separate topics on the technical analysis, please do comment in my the chat box. I'm glad to take training on that, okay. So um, so that's all guys for today. I will come up with tomorrow's analysis after the market hours. So before closing, I request you to subscribe my channel. um, Please do press like the video, and press the bell icon to get notification. Okay, then that's all. I'm signing off. Take care of your health, be safe, and until coming next time, um, this is Sujit Paskar signing off. Thank you.